This is not the way to make falafel. So I was craving falafel and I looked up a very nice recipe, simple and fine. And I had canned chickpeas at home, so no problem. I started to make the falafel. However, you cannot make falafel out of canned chickpeas. I found that out after Googling, since I didn't make any falafel at all. All I did was falafel mush. You can see here, it's peeling off the falafel and just exposing new falafel. It's just becoming mush. I also read you could freeze them, so I tried to freeze them and then deep fry them. No difference. Still the same mush. And it's very unfortunate because I did time lapse and I had some really super close up of me opening the chickpea packaging and looking inside with a super macro lens. It was really cool. And some more sort of how to do it. I'm straining the chickpeas. And here's the problem. They're too wet. So you need dry chickpeas and put them in water a day ahead so they're not as wet. And here's some super cool slow motion. How the food processor is chopping up the onions and garlic and all the chickpeas. So this was supposed to be a nice cooking video. And there's some seasoning and salt, and pepper, and some more cool slow motion. See how the food processor is working. Some more seasoning. Well, so it was supposed to be how to do falafel, but instead it became how not to do falafel. I don't really know how to do this, so if anyone who watches this knows how to do falafel with canned chickpeas, please tell me in the comments section down below. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now. By the way, the falafel mush was very tasty, even though it didn't retain its form. Bye now.